Hello coders, welcome back to Simply Dev. So in this React series, we will be making a blog application, simple blog application. So this is the preview of blog application. Here you can see that if you click on this particular blog, you will get all the details of this blog. And if we have to make a new blog, there is a link which is called as new blog. तो यहाँ से हम लोग title, body, author डाल सकते हैं. Let's take an example. जैसे कि if I am taking title as an AI और body मैंने copy कर रखा है, तो let's copy paste this and author इसका आर्यन समझो. तो when I will click on add blog, so हम redirect करेंगे home page पे. तो तुम देख सकते हो जैसे AI का blog यहाँ पे include हो चुका है. If you have to delete a blog, there is a delete option. ऐसे delete कर सकते हो blog. So this is our basic review of blog application which we will be making in our series.